All right. So someone just asked me or has been asking me, how would I trade Tesla? Okay. So we're just going to go over what I would do if I was trading Tesla. Now, I don't, but this is what I would do. I would turn on our institutional ladder, right? I'd select Tesla. Right now we have NQES Gold and Tesla imported in here because that's what people in our community are using. So as people ask me to create more options for this indicator, I'll go through, and this is literally my hand drawn, my process, my way of doing things and looking at intervals and the profiles and putting in this is from my brain, right? And then I have to do it for each asset. So here's Tesla. We're coming in at 930 right here. What am I going to do? Now we know price jumps up. So the best way to find out strategies and ways to do things is to figure out what price did to get to the point it's at. So why did price go from here to here, right? So let's look at it. So we're bouncing off an institutional zone right here at the pretty much at the close on Wednesday, right? So this is Wednesday, the 26th. Now open gaps up and then we come down, we're filling all those stuff, right? So the best thing to do is to do nothing. We're going to wait for price to come in to and close into the institutional zone. This is where you're going to start to see institutional involvement in what's going on is these levels. If you notice, we jumped up and then it just kind of like got in this crazy little range here. But finally, when we actually get into an institutional ladder here, look what happens. Price breaks up and goes to the next one. Right. Well, how do we find those entries? Okay, that's what we're going to turn on the first light beacon and start using things. First of all, this is the 350 zone right here, right? Session 350. So I'm looking at what's my bias. Well, my bias is bullish because I use this zone as my indication if I'm buying or selling. I buy above, I sell below, and I do nothing inside. Okay. Now, so since we're buying on this, I don't need this anymore. I already know that we're pushing up, so I can turn that one off. Okay. And then I'm going to go to I would use an hour zone for Tesla here. And I'm looking at it. Let's see this build right here. So we finally get our institutional push, right? Through the institutional ladder, it comes down. People are selling this high over here. Okay, cool. Well, what happens? We finally break out and we get a pullback into the end cap, right? So what I would do is I would take that long position off the end cap, set my stop loss at the end cap for risk, and then I would target the next institutional ladder zone right there. And there you get almost a 5 RR off that trade. That's in a perfect world. That's what you want to strive to trade. And then even when we come up here and we're in, this is the next day, 930, we're getting a break. Well, this chopped out, but it's Friday. We're getting a break at 930, rejecting off an end cap. That's going to be there. There's a bunch of orders sitting here under these lows and these end caps for you to target. So I would scalp this up to the institutional level there right at the open if I saw something like this happen. Okay. I hope that helps people out with getting into trades on Tesla. That's what I would do. I love, these are called EREs. These is an end cap rejection execution trade. And when we break over and we come down, we pull back, we get into the trade there. People are thinking to short this. Why? Because we took this high right here, right? And then we saw this dump here. And then we created a lower low. So everybody's shorting. And this is where institutions came in and shoved it right back up and bought into the next level there. And it actually went up to this one way up here. But I trade level to level. I don't try to hit home runs. I just hit the base hits and it works out for me. If you have any questions, come into our Discord and ask. Schedule a live Zoom demo of the system working on our website, firstlightbeacon.com. It is absolutely free. And I will give you 30 minutes of my time to sit here and go over the system and how it will benefit you. Hope you have a good one.